Next thing I'm going to be doing is the power steering fluid change. And some of the things you'll need is you'll need a container to empty out all the old steering fluid. This, the Mazda's call for, I think it's M5, Mazda M5 or Dexron 2 or 3. And that's a very old standard. So what I did is found this Castrol Transmax, which is pretty much ATF fluid. My old Mazda 6 used ATF fluid as well. Let me see. I think you can't use power steering fluid because of the properties of the fluid. They have like additives, and I don't think Mazdas work well with them. But you can see it is certified. It's $7 a quart as of 2024. The power steering reservoir is right there. Let me get a glove on and pull it off so I can show you. Okay, let's see. There we go. Yeah, I guess you can't really see much from this angle, but I'm gonna extract it and we're gonna see what it looks like. Okay, time to get started. So I'm gonna get my bucket ready, and I'm gonna get a rag just in case I spill. I don't want to make a mess here. I'm gonna move the steering wheel to one side, and that should allow me to put a little more fluid in. So you want to do this when the car is off, because what can happen is you could overheat this power steering pump. So let me go ahead and get the key. Okay, the wheels are tilted all the way to the left, so time to suck out more fluid. So I did have to apply some Sil Glide brake lubricant to this syringe because it seems like, I don't know, it seems like this power steering fluid is locking up. It's not able to pull up any more fluid. So I don't know, maybe it's empty. So let me go ahead and push the rest in here. But I noticed there's a lot of resistance. A lot of resistance. Okay. I'm gonna go ahead and turn the wheel the other way now. Okay. Now, see if I can suck up some more grease. Some more power steering fluid. And get more paper towels. Oh, I got a lot this time. Okay, I'll try again. Okay. Now, we'll do it one more time. Make sure there's nothing in here. And it looks like we're empty. Yep, we're empty. This is what I got out. Not too much. But I'll do this periodically. And over time, the fluid level should be replaced with new fluid. So, clean this a little bit. Don't want to attract too much dirt here. And let me get a funnel. Here's the funnel. And time to put more fluid in. We'll fill it up till full. Not exactly sure what fluid is. Let me get a white. Okay, let me get a better view. Okay, so we're a little bit above max, as you can see. I'm going to turn the wheel the other way and see if it goes down. Okay, let's see if it went under. Down a little bit. No, looks like it hasn't. So then the next step is going to be for me to start the car, and then we'll see what it does. Hopefully it should go down a little bit. So you can tell the power steering level did go down some. So I'm going to go ahead and add more fluid. Put a little bit over max again. So what we're doing here is it's also going to release air out of the lines since we did drain it. Let's check on it now. I'm going to keep turning it some. Okay. I've now cycled it a few times. It looks like it's still staying above max, so I think we're pretty much good on that front.